Yeah, it's a very cool find. I really didn't expect I would stumble upon this nice oyster mushroom over here. This is the typical appearance of the oyster mushroom, right? They grow in clusters and they have some brown to whitish color. It's very meaty. You can feel it. Let me take one piece from here. Yeah, so it's definitely oyster mushroom. It has a little bit fishy smell, but to be sure, I think I'm going to take it home and do a spore print. The spore print of oyster mushroom should be white. You see there's a little one hiding over there. I think the size is really nice to make a dish for 2 people. Okay, now I'm going to dig it out. Hopefully there will not be a lot of bugs, but I already seen a lot of flies flying over this mushroom. So let's check it out. It's still very sturdy actually, and very moist. I didn't bring the knife today because I really didn't expect such nice mushroom. So let's see if I can take it out just using my bare hand. Okay. Oh, it's very nice. I don't see a lot of maggots, which is very lucky. Okay, here's another one. It's a little bit fishy, but it smells good. All these bugs. See these bugs? Huh. So this mushroom looks like oyster mushroom. They both have a fan-shaped cap, and they both grow on the rotten log. But one main difference between oyster mushroom and this mushroom is that the size of this mushroom is very small, like it's almost the size of my nail, while oyster mushroom, when you find the mature full body, usually will be as big as a pound. Do you think it's a raccoon?
Is it hard?
It's very sharp again. We found a bunch of small, tiny mushrooms. These mushrooms are really dry at their old stage. Here's another fallen tree. And just around this fallen tree, we found another. You see there's a greenish on the fringe of the cap. You can see that the caps of the 2 mushrooms are overlapped. This mushroom has already had a spore print on the cap of another mushroom. And because we fried it, so it can lock the water, lock the moisture in the mushroom. So the mushroom is still very tender. Very good. I really like it. It's especially good with some Japanese spice.